During the iteration, an agile team discovers that it is not feasible to implement one of the user stories acceptance criteria. So you have a user story which has multiple acceptance criteria, but one of the acceptance criteria seems to be not feasible now. What should the team do? Option A, leave the user story and work on other stories. Yeah, so you have multiple stories, you can work on something else. Discuss with the product owner to find alternatives. Take the story to the product owner and say, what can we do here? We have a user, we have an acceptance criteria, seems to be not feasible to implement it. Can you remove something or do something else about it? Put the story back in the product backlog. You are working on things, something is seems to be troubling, maybe mark it not done or something and put it back into the product backlog. Say, yeah, we are making it back. Later on, we will discuss what do we do about it. As of now, we are removing it. Raise this in the upcoming retrospective meeting. Yeah, so you may say, okay, this is happened, and we will talk about it in the retrospective meeting, and we do by the time something else. So maybe it works with some other options as well, but we are saying, okay, the best thing to do about this situation is talk about it in a retrospective meeting. Okay, pick your choice. Then I will talk about my opinion related to these 4 options. Okay, so for me, yeah, the option B is good. That is something I would like to pick as a right option. But let's discuss other options as well so that we develop our understanding related to such kind of scenarios. So the situation is like this. You are working on a given user story which has an acceptance criteria. Now, sometime you may start interpreting, once we have picked the user story, we must finish end to end. That's the definition of done, and that's the whole idea about user stories are. But at the same time, you also have a negotiable part in a user story, which means there is never late to talk about if something is going wrong in a given user story. It's never late to get some clarifications related to the user story. So we are not talking about a silos approach or a baseline approach that we get some baseline user story in the beginning of iteration, and now we do everything and only talk about these user story at the end of an iteration. We should not take that. Yeah. So once we understand the collaboration can happen all the time, we should do something about it because we have a situation at hand. And that's why option B goes good. Now, putting back into the product backlog and then waiting for the retrospective meeting to happen, that's not a good idea because this is undermining the whole collaboration. So we should collaborate with the business, with the stakeholder, the product owner, in many cases, represent the business for the team and find out what is right for a given situation. Yes, we can talk about this situation if these things are happening very frequently in the retrospective meetings. But as of now, when we discover it, we should quickly discuss it for the earliest possible opportunity with our product owner. And that's why I go with option B as the right option for this question.